Hello students, let us read this question. Find the value of x, y, z from the following equations. So we have given some equations and from these equations we need to find out the value of x, y and z. So let us consider the first example. So here we have given a matrix 4, 3, x and 5 and it is equal to y, z, 1, 5. Y, z, 1 and 5. So since we have given that, since matrix matrices are equal, we can say that the corresponding elements will also be equal. So since the matrix are equal, we can say that the corresponding elements of these two matrix will also be equal. So therefore, if we compare, we can say that 4 will be equal to y, then 3 will be equal to z, then x will be equal to 1, and 5 will be equal to 5. So therefore, we from this we can say that therefore the values of x, y, and z are the value of x is 1, value of y is 4, and value of z is 3. So these are the values of x, y, and z. The same concept can be used for the second question. So for the second question, we have given x plus y 2. So x plus y 2, then y plus z, 5 plus z into xy. 5 plus z into xy will be equal to 6258. 6258. Okay, so again here we can say that since the elements, since the matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are equal. So therefore, on comparing, we will get x plus y equal to 6. Then next equation will be 5 plus z will be equal to 5 and x into y will be 8. Let us first consider this equation 5 plus z equals to 5. So from here we can find out the value of z. So this will be z will be equal to 5 minus 5. So z comes out to be 0. And here and for the next equation we have given x plus y as 6 and x into y is 8. So that means we need to find out two such elements for which the addition will give us, we have to find out two numbers for which addition is equal to 6 and multiplication is equal to 8. So 2 and 4 are such numbers. So we can see that x plus y 2, 5 plus z and x into y. So we can say that 4 and 2 are such numbers. So we can say that uh, this will be x will be equal to 2 and y will be equal to 4. Or the reverse is also possible. That means x can be also equal to 4 and y can be equal to 2. So as there is no certain criteria, we can say that this is true. As so it is satisfying the condition that x equals to 2 and y equals to 4 will give us when we add this 2 we will get 6, and when we multiply this 2 we will get 8. We can say that therefore the values of x, y, and z are 2, 4, and 0. So these are the values of x, y, and z for the given matrix. Similarly, for the next matrix, we have given x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, then x plus z, y plus z, x plus z, and y plus z. it is equal to 9, 5 and 9, 5 and 7. Again, same concept can be used here. Since the matrices are equal, the corresponding elements will be equal. So on comparing, we will get three equations. So first equation will be x plus y plus z equals to 9. Then next will be x plus z equals to 5. And next will be y plus z equals to 7. Now, since we have x plus y plus z equals to 9, and we have given that x plus z is 5, so in the place of x plus z, we can write 5. So this will be y plus 5 equals to 9. So y will be 9 minus 5, which is 4. So the value of y comes out to be 4. Similarly, we have x plus y plus z equals to 9, and y plus z is 7. So in the place of y plus 7, z, we can put 7. So x will be 9 minus 7. It will be 2. X comes out to be 2. Now, in order to find out the value of z, we have x plus z equals to 5. Since x is 2, so this will be 2 plus z equals to 5. So therefore, z will be 5 minus 2. So z is equal to 3. So we can say that therefore the value of x, y, and z are 2, 2, 4, and 3. So in this question, we have solved these following equations to find out the value of x, y, and z. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.